channel. So today I will be showing you the Maybelline lipstick collection that I have. I think I have 10 shades here, and I will be swatching them on my lips. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll mention the name and the number of the lipstick on the screen. Nudes usually washes me out, and this is how it looks on my lips. Glamorous Red is one of my favorite lip shade. This is how it looks on my lips, and this looks extremely good on Indian skin tone or on olive skin tone. This pink matches the pink on my dress. It goes without saying that I am not good at applying lipstick, so extremely sorry for the sloppy application. Most of the shades that I show here are good for Indian skin tones. So with this last shade, we have come to an end of this video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn the bell notification on as well, so that every time I upload a video you get notified. And I'll see you on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.